What is up guys, Julius here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make super blue water in Premiere Pro. So I'm just here in my Premiere where I've prepared a clip of some water, and we're gonna turn this almost greenish water into blue water, and it's actually fairly simple. So the first thing you want to do is go over here to your project and right click, hit new item, and then adjustment layer like so. And then apply that adjustment layer on top of your clip, like so. Next thing you want to do is go into clip and select the free drawbase here, because we want to mask out the water. And you do not have to be super precise here. Like so. Now we have that masked out. Let's just extend the mask here at the bottom to cover all the water. So next thing you want to do is go over to video effects, color correction, and you want to find this thing called Lumetri Color and drag that on top of your adjustment layer. Like so, and here we're gonna play around with a bunch of inputs. First one is we want to go into basic correction, and we want to turn up the temperature a little bit. Right now you can see where our mask is here. But don't worry, we're gonna fix that. But let's just get the color correction good first. So I'm gonna set the temperature to 75 maybe. Yeah, that's pretty nice. The tint, we're just gonna leave it 0, right? Because it will either make it green or purple. Next, we're gonna highlight, do some highlights, I think. Maybe something like this. Turn down the shadows just a little bit, something like that, and maybe also turn down the blacks a little bit, like so. And now you want to go into curves, and what we want to do here is increase the blue curve a little bit. Now it's already turning very blue, maybe. Something like so, but we actually want to turn up the green a little bit, otherwise it will look kind of unnatural. Something like that. And maybe just remove a few reds that are left. But as you might remember, we still have this edge up here. How are we gonna get rid of that? Very simple. Just crank up the feather to so that's the wrong one. Just crank up the feather until it looks good. Something like this maybe. Let's try to remove the adjustment layer. Let's see how it looks before. Let's see how it looks now. There's this very vibrant, cool looking blue color. I really like this effect. It will make your water look so nice. But let's take a look. But anyways, that was all I had for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Please consider subscribing and dropping a like. Also maybe comment which type of tutorials you would like to see next. But anyways, bye guys.